5 houseplants for your very cold
This easy
rooms.
plant.
Number 1. This resilient plant. Number 1 is Z plants. Fahrenheit. It's perfect for low light and very dry conditions. Up next, the cast iron plant. True to its name, it's incredibly tough, surviving down to temperatures just above freezing. 32 degrees Fahrenheit. No. 3 geraniums. They bring color and life to colder rooms, thriving in temperatures as low as 45 degrees Fahrenheit, provided they get a few hours of direct sunshine. The jade plant at No. 4, a succulent that loves sunlight and can endure chilly temperatures, down to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. And finally, maiden air ferns. These elegant ferns prefer cooler and lower light areas, thriving in temperatures as low as 60 degrees Fahrenheit, with consistently moist soil. These amazing houseplants will keep your very cold rooms green and lively. Which one will you choose? Let me know. Thanks for watching.